This sneaker is it. This is my most expensive sneaker ever. My biggest sneaker purchase ever. Let's get into this straight fire video. I want to start off this video with a question for you guys. What's the most amount of money you've ever spent on a pair of sneakers? How much was it, and what sneaker was it? Leave a comment down below. I'm gonna reply back to you guys in the comments. Free Mocha 1 giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Air Jordan 1 Mocha. For a bonus entry, you guys can follow me on Instagram at DannyMoore2369 and DM me proof that you did everything. This is my worn pair. Don't worry, the winner's gonna receive a brand new dead stock pair, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Mocha 1s. Good luck! Back in 2014, the Red October Yeezy 2 released, and I got lucky enough to cop those sneakers for retail. In about 2015, maybe 2016, I spent $2,000 on the Platinum Yeezy 2. There's always one pair of Yeezy 2s that got away from me, and I finally have them 12 years later. We have the brown Nike Sportswear box, one of my favorite Nike boxes ever. We have the black dust bag. You have the logo on one side and the Nike Sportswear logo on the other side in a black dust bag. And here they are, the Nike Air Yeezy 2 Solar Red. 12 years later, the most amount of money I've ever spent on a pair of sneakers, and I finally have the Solar Red Yeezy 2, the one and only Yeezy 2 that got away. This sneaker released back in 2012. Retail was $245. They sold out instantly on Nike's website. They released both the Platinum and the Solar Red at the same exact time. Sold out instantly, and were reselling for around $1,500 at the time. I had a choice back then to cop the Solar Red Yeezy 2s or get a MacBook Pro. I made about $1,500 in about a month over the summer, and I wanted to spend that money on either the Solar Red Yeezy 2s or a MacBook Pro. Obviously, I went with the MacBook Pro. Was that the right decision? Looking back on it, no. I love that MacBook, but when it comes to value, these have skyrocketed in price. Back in 2012, YouTube quality is not what it is today, so this might be your first time looking at this beautiful sneaker here in 4K. I have a problem with these Solar Red Yeezy 2s, so make sure you guys keep on watching. The Solar Red Yeezy 2 is my favorite Yeezy he's ever done. This is my favorite Kanye West sneaker, period. Out of all the samples, out of everything he's done with Nike, Louis Vuitton, Adidas, Bape, everything, this is my favorite Kanye West sneaker there is. So it's awesome. I'm so happy to finally have these 12 years later. They are, of course, a worn pair because a dead stock pair is selling for like 10 grand. I did pay about $3,500 for these. I actually traded along with cash. I got these at Got Soul. I'm gonna show you guys that clip.
He's going in the vault. We're in the vault.
45, right?
Double box.
Gotta keep the fucking Yeezy box fresh. Gotta keep the Yeezy.
Do I get the double box?
You can keep the double box.
Bet. Nah, I'm playing. Awesome. These are crazy. Worn, but amazing condition. I'm not gonna see these.
The tips down here.
I'm not gonna see them again. It's the one Yeezy 2 that always got away from me. The one that got away. Years later, here they are. Crazy.
So we're doing the PayPal transaction now. I'm going to send him $2,600. $2,600. Travis Scott Cactus Jacks, the khaki pair of 6s, as well as the off-white dunks, lot 10, size 8.5. 4. You guys saw the Yeezys. 26. Send. Sent $2,600. $2,600. The off-white dunks and Travis Scott 6s, and well, I got Solar Red Nike Air Yeezy 2s. You have a glow-in-the-dark outsole, which is fire. I love that outsole, and as you guys can see, the outsole is still very, very bright, even 12 years later. Black suede around the toe, a mesh toe box. Now up the tongue, you have a strap, and you have hieroglyphics under the strap. On top of the tongue, you have that hieroglyphics logo, the same logo that's on the dust bag. And you have a nice lace lock as well. It has the Roman numeral 2s on the other side. That beautiful solar red inner lining. It looks kind of pink on camera. In person, it's more of a red, almost pink color, but it's so bright and so nice. You do have scales, which is actually a huge legit check on pairs. You have the scales right there with the Nike swoosh, and on the back, you have the bumps. The other side, you have the triangles with suede, and the strap goes in there with their Nike branding there on the strap. More of these scales. A little bit different on this side. Black midsole, glow-in-the-dark outsole. I can't forget about the leather insole. They come with lace tips, which is awesome as well. I did take the lace tips off because I will not wear these with the lace tips. They fall off anyway. And speaking about falling off, no size tags, they fell off. They're known for falling off, and that's actually a legit check on pairs. I absolutely love the Solar Red Nike Air Yeezy 2. This is my favorite Kanye West sneaker, and the most amount of money I've ever spent on a pair of sneakers. As you can see, we have the original box, size 10, Solar Red Nike Air Yeezy 2. $3,500 later, are they worth it? Leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. I have one problem with the Solar Red Yeezy 2 that I need to tell you guys about. The sneaker is 12 years old. The midsole is eventually going to crumble. There's no signs of it right now, but eventually it's gonna crumble, and with their worth so much money, I just don't want to keep them. Now, they are worn. I'm going to wear them before I sell them or trade them, but I will be selling or trading these. Oh, man, I don't want to, but it's so much money, and I know that one day in the next few years, handful of years, these will no longer be wearable. So for that reason, I will be selling these. If you guys are interested, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at DannyMoore2369 and shoot me a DM. Let's work something out. Cash, trades, size 10, Solar Red, Yeezy 2. Since I'm selling them, does that mean that I regret the purchase? No, I do not. I think I got them for a decent deal. I can use them as trade bait. I can use them and get my money back, maybe even make a little bit of profit. But at the end of the day, I needed to buy these so I could finally say I've owned every Nike Air Yeezy 2. And I finally own my favorite Kanye West sneaker ever. The Red October Yeezy 2 I got for retail from Nike. The Platinum Yeezy 2s I spent $2,000 on. And finally, 12 years later, the Solar Red Yeezy 2s are in my possession for $3,500. This is the most amount of money I've ever spent on a pair of sneakers. My biggest sneaker purchase ever. Smash that like button if you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys leave a comment. Let me know how much money is the most money you've ever spent on a pair of sneakers, and what sneaker did you buy? We're on the road to 100,000 subscribers, so please make sure you guys smash that subscribe button and join the Moore family. Don't forget to enter the free Mocha 1 giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Air Jordan 1 Mocha. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching.